All right, guys, without keeping you in suspense any longer, of course, this is another Hergivenhair masterpiece. This is actually going to be a drawstring ponytail tutorial. You guys know I am no stranger to drawstring ponytails. I have a few videos already using drawstring puffs and ponytails on my channel, so I'll link that in the description box below. But it's just like your typical drawstring ponytail. The drawstring is at the bottom, and then it has two like combs, one at the top and one at the bottom. So what I'm going to do here is just obviously give the drawstring ponytail a co-wash. As usual, Hergivenhair, any kind of hair that I've ever gotten from Hergivenhair, detangles and co-washes like a breeze. So I'm just using a little bit of the VO5 conditioner. It's my favorite thing to use on my wigs along with Aussie Moist. And I'm just going to do a little bit of co-washing and then some detangling, both with my paddle brush and then as well with my fingers. After I've co-washed it, I'm just going to sit it to the side and let it air dry and prep my hair for the drawstring ponytail. So I am going to be working on old hair. Here my hair was just in two little braids, little Raggedy Ann protective style going on. I talked a little bit more about this over on my Instagram, so if you're wondering the deets on this hair, just head over to my Instagram and check out my recent posts. My hair is still pretty thoroughly moisturized from the products that I put in it prior to doing that style. So all I'm gonna do here is just take a little, I don't even know what this thing is called, but I've been using it lately to lay the lace on my wigs. It's just one of those wooden like nail cleaner things, but it is new. But I like using it for like pressing down the lace on my wigs. I don't know, it's ratchet, but it works. And all I'm gonna do here is take a little bit of Eco Styler gel and lay my ponytail. Yes, you can see white foam, but that is just from me re-wetting my hair and the product that's already in it, just kind of foaming up. This does dry clear, so no worries, you guys. I'm pretty sure I'm familiar with that happening. And then I'm just gonna work that into a ponytail, and I'm just going to prep my hair to lay flat underneath the drawstring ponytail. If you have hair that is as long as mine or longer than mine and definitely thicker than mine, I would definitely recommend doing what I call the Cinnabon bun method, which is when you split your hair into two sections and then strategically pin the twist flat around your ponytail holder, just so that it creates a flat base and your ponytail looks as natural as possible. After you do that, all you have to do is attach the combs. For this one, I used both combs, and then I just took obviously the drawstring and made it tight so that it was secure around my ponytail. You don't need any extra bobby pins other than the ones that you use to create your bun. And then the combs plus the drawstring is going to really secure that ponytail in place for you. And then all I'm going to do now is, just make sure that my hair is smooth. And I chose to pull two pieces out in the front just because, the forehead is real. And I think it's cute. To me, it just brings back that old like 90s vibe that I told you guys I was going for in the beginning of this video. And all I did was take a little bit more of the Eco Styler gel and finger coiled the roots just so they lay a little bit flatter, and then just smooth the ends. And this is the first cute look. Very simple. You guys have been seeing this look all over Instagram. The low/back pony is very popular just because it's very quick, very simple, elegant. You can put that in a bun if you wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it as that. And it's just a cute style that, didn't take a lot of effort. Now, honey, now I am going to show you what is the style that you guys were loving over on Instagram, and this is more like my steez. So all I'm doing is taking down that. You see how quick it is just to take it down. Very easy style. And I'm just going to undo that ponytail and take all that hair and of course pull it up to the very tippy top of my head. I'm going to take my trusty scarf and lay my edges down because this is the style that I want to set. I didn't do this the first time just because I knew I was doing two styles and act a little crazy. And for this style, I actually want a little bit of height. So I made sure that I wrapped my bun so that it gave me, a little bit of height. But that's cute. That style cute right there, honey. Wear a bun just like that. But now all you're gonna do is do this exact same thing. Take the drawstring ponytail again. This time I'm only using one clip, and I make sure that I have the drawstring side. I'm crazy, y'all. Like, what is wrong with me? I make sure that I have the drawstring side on the bottom so that it's easily, you know, able to be hidden. And look at that, literally like a 2-minute hairstyle. This style was super cute, super easy to do. It definitely gives me like nostalgic 90s vibes back in the day in elementary and middle school when girls would come to school with their little drawstring ponytail, honey. Couldn't tell them nothing. And this style, really, I have been wearing my hair like this for a few days now, and I actually have been sleeping in this drawstring ponytail, so it is super comfortable. That's another thing. Like, it isn't uncomfortable to sleep in. It isn't heavy. It's super soft. I didn't put any additional products in it, and it looks extremely natural and similar to my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure that you're my cousin, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.